combine all the dry ingredients together, which are flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I then combine all the wet ingredients together, which are eggs, buttermilk, oil, and vanilla extract. I then combined the wet with the dry and combined all the ingredients. I added the batter to the skillet and let it brown for about 3 minutes aside. In the comments, let me know how your pancakes turned out. Once again, thank you for subscribing to this channel to reach 100 subscribers. I will be doing this contest again, but when we reach 200 subscribers, I will then select one lucky winner that has subscribed to my channel and left a comment on one of my videos starting October the 5th, 2022 till when I reach 200 subscribers. The lucky winner will win an Uber gift card valued at 15 Canadian dollars. So good luck to everyone. Hopefully this does not take 2 years like it did last time.